Today I'm going to show you how to make a flowing floral pattern using this free template, which you can find a link to in the description box below. The great thing about using a template is you can bring in your own style, motifs and colour choices to make it totally unique to you. But you don't need to worry about it fitting together in a repeat, as all the hard work has been done for you. Start by saving the template to the camera roll on your iPad and then create a new canvas in Procreate at 12 by 12 inches at 300 dpi. Go up to the spanner icon, insert photo and find your template. Now this next bit is really crucial if you want this to work properly. The template needs to take up the whole of your canvas. So if, like mine, it is smaller than your canvas, tap Fit to Canvas and you can see the image now goes right to the edges. At this point, what I like to do is go up to the Layers panel and bring down the opacity of the template so that I can draw over the top but still see it. Now you can add a new layer on the top and start designing your pattern. It's totally up to you where you start, but I'm going to start with some very stylistic shapes for the flowers, but you can really bring out your own style here. I'm then going to add some smaller circles for the middles of the flowers. For each new colour I like to start a new layer so I can easily edit the colours later if I need to. I'm also going to add a few more details to the petals and to the middles to give it a bit more interest, but it's up to you how detailed you want to make yours. Now I've finished with the flowers and I'm going to start a new layer and add the stems and leaves. Try and stick as closely as you can to the template underneath so that it will all fit together nicely when we make the repeat in the next step. I'm also going to add some little details to the leaves using a clipping mask, so the detail just shows up on the leaf layer. And we're done and ready to make the repeat. When I get to this stage, I like to duplicate the whole canvas so I can always come back to this one and make colour changes later on. So you can now delete the template layer. To make the repeat, we need everything to be on the same layer. So merge your layers together, and we're going to make some temporary marks in the top left and bottom right hand corner. This ensures that the whole canvas is selected when we make the repeat. Now duplicate the layer 4 more times so you have 5 layers. Select the top layer and make sure that snapping and magnetics are both on. This is going to help it snap into place perfectly. Move each of these layers into a corner and ensure it snaps into place. You can see that the original layer is still in place in the middle. Now merge these top 4 layers together and we're going to hide the original layer for a moment so that we can rub out the temporary markings. Now hide this layer and rub out the markings on the original layer. And there we have it, a beautiful floral pattern using a template. You can use this template again and again for different styles and get as creative as you'd like. You can download this template for free and I've put the link in the description below. If you've enjoyed this process, I also have a pack of 20 templates that explore lots of different styles, including trailing, ditzy and symmetrical patterns, and I've put that link below too. Happy creating!